Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Fun Ashanti Tree. So, how was your Christmas and your New Year? Um, I'm sure, like everyone or most people, including myself, we have our New Year's resolution. And the most popular one, it's always, I will exercise this year. I'll be exercising this year. Well, let's see. Give your comments if your New Year resolution will be to exercise, and let's set a goal that within a month we'll see if you've actually started and where you are with that goal. So, I'll be exercising this year is translated in Chi as Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Afeyi is this year. Tenetene, literally, it means stretch, but it's, exercise. In Tree, we don't have exact vocabulary as English. And Nipadua is body, which it can be umpumu. As I always say, Tree has different varieties in our vocabulary. We can say it in different ways, and it's also tonal, depending on how you emphasize the word, whether you say it in a high way, medium tone, low tone, it has a different meaning. Okay? So let's try it again. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Or Afeyi Tenetene me mpomu. Afeyi Tenetene me mpomu. Afeyi Tenetene me mpomu. All right, I think I like the Nipadua, so let's use that one. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Try it. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. Afeyi Tenetene me nipadua mu. All right, so that brings us to the end of this lesson. But I can't wait to hear from all of you how you've been exercising and if you're able to even meet your 1 month goal of exercising. All right, thank you for listening. Subscribe, get others to subscribe. Bye.